Hello, everybody. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Monique, and I'm on a financial health journey to create inheritance for the generations to come. And I want to do that through consistency and discipline. Today, I'm here to stuff my sinking funds with prop money. So, I keep all of my money in a high yield savings account at Ally Bank. But I do use prop money to make sure that I am documenting exactly which buckets all of this information is supposed to go in, and I have some type of visual reminder of what I need to use this money for so that I don't spend it. I bought this. It's from Amazon, but it's a part of Salisa's, I guess, materials or items that she has from a budgeting standpoint. She's the YouTuber Beautifully Me and You. And so this is one of the little mini budget books that she offers. It's very small, very tiny, but I'm going to use this because I realized that it is important to, even while you are I'm using prop money, it is important to figure out your denominations and where the money is supposed to go. That way it's easier for you to actually put it in the envelope. So I am using that. It was a little bit easier to do it this way than to use my iPad, which is what I normally use for budgeting. So let's get started. I tried to stuff in my sinking funds $400. So that should be the amount that I have here in the denominations that I need, because I've been able to use it on this, or document it on this tracker. So let's see what we got. Let's move that over 50, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 350, 60, 70, 80, 90, 390, 95, and 400. There you go. All right, so I'm going to actually do a cash stuffing and a cash unstuffing, because there are some things that I have to take care of between now and next week that I needed to go ahead and shift that money for. So we'll walk through all of that. All right, so first I have here car maintenance, and car maintenance is going to get actually, let's do it in order that they are in the book, because that makes things easier. Okay, so the first one is Corinne. So Corinne is getting not only her normal 75, but she's also going to get the 75 that I would have put into property insurance. I had enough saved up in property insurance to go ahead and pay that today. The bill is September the 4th, and I want to pay for a 3-month period. And so that will be one of the unstuffings that I do today. But since I already had the amount that I needed, I'm going to reallocate her 75, that 75 to hers, because I have to have a total of $625 by the end of this month to cover all of her theater, conference dues, and her choir dues for her to go to Carnegie Hall. So that's going to be $150. So let's do 50, 100, 20, 40, and 50. Okay. And we'll add that in here. So she has 20, 20, 20, 10, 10, 5. So she'll have 150, 250, 350, 70, 90, 410, 20, 30, 35. $435. And I'll update these trackers after the video is over, I guess. No, I guess I can do it now. What's today? 8/25. Save 150. And that should be 285 plus 150 is 435, and that's exactly what I counted out. So 435. All right. Next we have birthdays. Birthday is going to get 25. So that's a 20 and a 5. And birthdays has 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 2, 2, 5, 2, 10. 10, 8, 25, save $25. It's 210. Household is next. Household gets 25. Yes, $25. So household 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 80, 82, 84, 87, or 80, 84, 89, sorry. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So that's $89. 825. Save. I did get rid of my Glamopoly that I used to have a sinking fund for, and so I reallocated some of that money over here, and that's why the numbers are off a little bit. But I sent 14 over here earlier this week, so that brought me from 50 to 64, and then I just added another 25, and that gets me to 89. All right, emergency gets 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 67, 68, 69. 69. So 469. That's 825. I'm saving 50. And that gets me to 469. Okay. Car maintenance, we're going to do 40 for that. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. All right, 825. Save $40, and now we're at 75. There we go. Medical. So medical gets 60. I am doing this is changing from medical to deductible if you watched any of my previous videos, and it'll be used to save for deductibles overall, not just for medical ones, but also for car deductibles or home or property deductibles if I had to use my property insurance for anything as well. So I'll be changing the name of this. I just haven't had a chance, but it will say deductibles going forward. That's 100, 250, 70, 90, 310, 20, 25, 30. All right, 825, save. That's a plus, what did I say, 60? So that's 330. There you go. Xerxes, this is going to be a stuffing and unstuffing, so I'm putting his 10 in here for this week, and then I'll come back and unstuff for his yearly visit that we'll have on Monday, so that money is already in the account. So Xerxes 1, 2, 50, 70, 90, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 67, 68. Was that right? Let's try that again. 1, 2, 50, 70, 93, 210. I'm sorry, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 62, 63. Okay, there you go. I'm going to try and count faster, but sometimes the kid messes up. All right, got that added. 363. All right, property insurance, nothing is going in there today, and I'm going to do an unstuffing later. Date night is $30. And this one as well is going to get unstuffed because after we take Xerxes to his yearly visit, we're going to drop him off right back at the house, and we're going to go and have us a nice lunch in the square. And so I need to unstuff for that. This time it's going to be my treat. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $100. It takes everything I have not to copy or mimic Taylor budgets, because she always says dollars. And I really want to say that every time I get to the end. All right, so that's 100 there. And then for taxes, I save my normal 10. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 149. So 825. Save 10. 149. Alrighty, and then new whip is now set aside. You can see I just turned it the other way, and Glamopoly for right now is set aside. I'm not going to be stuffing these until I can take care of the fees that my daughter needs. All right, now it's time for the unstuffing. So I wrote down a couple of notes. Thank you, little book. You really helped. All right, so I'll put you over there. So I need to unstuff $350 for Xerxes yearly appointment. I need to unstuff $85 for date day. It's going to be really. And then property insurance, I paid $465. So I need to unstuff that as well and document those down. So let's put that right here. All right. First, we get to Xerxes, I think. Medical Xerxes. Here it is. So Xerxes unstuff 350. 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50. 350, 5, 10, 12, 13. That should leave $13. So $825. Yearly visit minus $350. And that leaves $13. And there you go. All right, so that one's done. Next is property insurance. We'll do that one next. And this one for 3 months, it was $465. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. 70. So do I have a 5 in here? I do not have a 5. So let me make change real quick. Find a 5 in here somewhere. And you guys forgive me, I need to make sure, because there was a time that I mixed up a few of these, and I had some fake money and some real money mixed up together, and I learned my lesson. So I have to make sure I put some type of sticker on the fake money. So I took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 470, but it's only 465. So I put a 5 back in. So that means now I have 50, 70, 75, 80, 82, 84, 85. I should have $85 in here. And so I'm pretty close to having another month saved. I will save up for the next time this is due, which should be in November. And I should have enough saved out for that. So, oh, I wrote save. So let me put pay. It's minus 465. Make sure that was right. 550 minus 465 was 85, and that's exactly what I had, what I counted out just now. All right, that's property insurance, and then date night. So date night, I've already moved this money over to as well, the checking. And just to recap how I do this, of course, I have 2 accounts with Allie. I actually have 3. I have a Roth IRA, which I'm not really contributing that much to, but I need to get better at that. I have the savings account that have the different buckets. I have about 10 to 12 buckets already outlined. And then I have a checking account with Allie. So, and that checking account is only used to transfer money from my savings to checking whenever I have to pay for something. So this 465, this 350, and this 85 all together, 350 plus 465 plus 85 equals $900. So this morning I transferred $900 over from the savings to the checking, and I'm paying everything from there. So that's how we're doing that. All right, date night is 85, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, and 85. So that leaves 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and date night, and $8.25. Date day is really what I'm gonna say, minus $85, and that's just guessing how much it's gonna cost. If I have anything left over, I'll put it back. All right, and I think that is it. So I will get all of this prop money placed back into my envelope, and it looks like everything is done. Thanks everybody for your time. You have a good one.